stop filming me when I'm wearing these things.
Alright, we just got dropped off at the mall where we're gonna meet up with our guide to bring us to the mountains where we will ride horses. Unicentro, Bogotá, a unique place that has it all. This is the book Molina was telling us about. It's Camila, yeah. What was it? Something and my jail with Pablo Escobar. Yeah. Oh, Mi Vida. Mi Vida y mi cárcel con Pablo Escobar. This is what Molina was telling us about. And that's the inside of it.
It's not series, it's like those that are longer. I don't know the name.
Yeah. Here's one right here. You're right next to a haunted house.
Look at that. This is the castle. Next to it there is a disco now. And actually David Guetta.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, David
Guetta.
But this castle, they say it's also haunted because the guy who lived there killed his family.
We're almost at the farm. Santiago just told us that he has 80 hectares of land. That's a lot of land. Oh, look at this view. This is where we gotta take a selfie. We made it to El Imperio. We just met Santiago's family. So nice. Here we are.
Ajá. Ella fue a unas...
This is a crazy view. This is a panorama.
And later, with the horses, you will be staying 2,800.
This is incredible. He has the Nintendo 64.
Ella encanta las
Bro.
Okay. Cool.
This is
Come
incredible.
there. Yes?
Wow.
This is our old kitchen, you know? This type of kitchen?
Traditional.
Traditional.
Yeah.
And the food acquired
Queso muy fresco. But it's really fresh cheese.
was made in the oven, artisanal oven. Jonathan, look at the lulo juice.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
If you want to
I've
eat,
never seen this.
sure, yes.
No, it's fine.
okay.
It looks like
The outside looks like
a piece of gold from the gold museum.
Oh,
So Lulu is the passion
Lulu.
This is feijoa.
Fejo.
Es deliciosa. And I have this. I think it's delicious. This
Lulu?
feijoa.
A fejor.
Feijoa. If you
Feijoa.
can,
Fruits you will see in this
it's delicious.
You will never see them.
Yeah, I never seen him again.
No yellow because it's sweet.
Amarillo es dulce, verde es
Salt.
You eat it when it's yellow and it's really sweet. You can make like an aromatic water with it, or you can make
A juice?
call it like a special candy. It's really good.
Oh,
What is it called? Papayelo.
papayelo.
Papayuela.
Papayuela. Yellow. Papayelo.
Papayuela.
Papayuela. Papayelo.
That's a lot.
Wow.
Mira, papa.
Papa.
Oh.
Es
Zarcillos.
Zarcillo.
Sacil. Oh, wow. Muy bonita.
Muy bonita.
Los pollos hermanos.
Did you don't say that? The Pio Pio no vienen. No come here.
Cockfighting.
Specials.
Look at this pollo. Oh, this is a rooster. Gancho.
It's violent.
This is a violent one. Look, there's a chicken hen in there.
Mira, van acá.
Oh, these
Mira.
are the eggs.
Tina, mira.
Ay, no, no, pero la custom.
Tina, Customs is gonna love you.
I don't know.
Tina doesn't know how to put down the chicken.
It's so much lighter.
Listen size.
Oh, I didn't see a picture of it there. You know that?
We threw in a lake. Turbo. All right, we signed our waivers. We got our helmets on. We're about to ride some horses. Here are the caballos. Here are all the horses. Paco.
And maybe
This is Tina's horse, Kronos. He's big as hell, but apparently he is the most calmest horse that there is here. So that's what Tina's gonna get. Make friends with him, Tina. This is Kronos.
Wait, don't we have to give them the strap?
Wow, Tina, you look like a stud.
Párate acá. ¿Cómo se dice párate acá? Para acá. Ya, listo.
Okay.
Listo.
Bueno, esto está muy alto.
Muy largo.
This is a big ass horse for Tina. This is crazy. Tina, you look like you're in Red Dead Redemption.
Careful, because he thinks you're gonna give him.
Sí, ¿cuántos? Dos. Yo les doy dos aquí. Mira acá esto.
I've never done this before.
Este está bien.
Yeah, sí, está bien.
¿Está bien?
Cabe bien.
Bien.
Sí, listo. Okay, now I know the controls of this horse. I realized that I cannot take videos like this that much, so this will be the last time you'll probably see me with the hands up like that. Tina's on the side. We've learned the controls of a horse, which is crazy because I don't know how they taught this horse this. But Picasso is apparently very nice. So is Kronos over there. They gave us really easy to use horses. So we're happy. This horse is huge. Look at that horse. That's a big ass horse. But we're real excited. So I'm gonna put my camera down so I can put 100% of my mind into this, so I know what I'm doing. All the way up to the mountain. It's crazy. I can't believe Picasso is so nice, so calm, works with me. He's hungry. I know he's hungry because he keeps trying to eat. Unfortunately, I can't. Cold. There's something about that was nuts. It felt very, very natural. Here they are rounding up the horses. I'm not gonna get too close because I don't get bucked. Straight chin music in the face. Paco made it with us. Paco! Tina's here with the horses, hanging with the crew.
De Kiss.
Muchas gracias. Oh, muy amable. Tina. You just hit a bridge with your head. Picasso's so chill. I'm here chilling with Jason. Jason?
Yeah.
¿Tu nombre es Jason? Sí. Mi amigo Jason. Chilling in the cut. We just made it to the mountain top. Chilling. Danielle's here with the music, DJ. I'm here with Picasso, my trusty steed. I feel like we should rob a bank. Like we should just be like going towards a train right now.
Jonathan, este caballo como suda.
Ajá, ¿por qué?
Por el frío. Vamos.
Vamos. I just fell off my horse. Picasso's out.
Alright.
That was sick.
I'm glad your camera survived.
Yeah, no, thank you. It's good. This is a trooper. I have a newfound respect for horses. His aura?
Yeah. No, he's.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Tina, look at this.
It's only 2 years.
It's like a
But
brand new.
it's actually really big for being a Colombian horse. He's the only stallion we have.
¿Qué es su nombre?
Máximo.
Máximo. Maximum space. Wow. Exposition.
Es,
Yeah.
es entrenamiento.
Wow.
You guys gonna compete with him?
Yeah.
So he's being trained.
He's being trained, yeah. He started to be trained only 6 months ago.
Yeah, he's beautiful. Maximo.
Máximo.
So what kind of
Máximo.
what kind of he's probably getting hungry.
He's drifting a horse.
Es madre.
That's why you turned out so good. You have a good mother and a
Mira.
good father.
Hello.
Mira.
You need to find another turn liabilities closest if you want to.
It's lunchtime, and Danny just told me that we pick our meat, we'll season it, and we'll grill it. I'm excited.
He cooks all the meat. I don't cook meat.
She cooks other things.
Acá está cebolla.
Sí, sí.
Ay, yo les tenía por acá.
Oh man.
I've been training for this my entire life. Alright, it's time for lunch. We just went ahead and cooked this. Beautiful medium rare tenderloin.
No, mamita, because
Ensalada, avocado,
Bueno, ven.
ají. Oh man, see what is ají? Like what are all the ingredients in this?
all it has chopped onion, cilantro, chopped tomato, a little bit of spice, maybe a little bit of oil, vinegar, and water.
Ah, I see. Okay.
So,
Ajiaco.
this morning?
Having a family dinner with the Santiagos. They invited us. ¿Qué es?
Natilla.
Natilla.
Traditional ingredients.
Este es
I like these.
dulce.
I like these a lot.
Se llama bocadillo.
Bocadillo.
Bocadillo veleño.
May. Maybe one month, 2 months.
She's getting the full farm experience.
You really gotta. Oh. Oh.
Different. It's actually.
The homie came to bless us. It's Jason on the mule, the donkey. Jason's on a donkey. Yeah. We're here. I'm gonna play a game that we've been trying to play. Tejo. Hola. This is the board. We got some clay, some explosives.
Es iron.
Oh,
Aquí. Iron. Y esto iron. Entonces acá pega. Pero si pego acá, hay una explosión pequeña. Explosión. Acá, explosión pequeña.
sí,
Si hago explosión es 1 punto.
1 punto.
Un punto. Si pongo acá, en el centro, es 2 puntos.
Oh, 2 puntos solamente.
Si hago en el centro y reviento una mecha, es 3
3
puntos.
puntos, sí.
¿Y la moñona?
Ambas.
En el centro y
No, y la mañana.
Just 1 meter to the left.
Oh, nice.
Bueno, bien, bien, bien.
Ayan. Ra, ra, ra. Ayan.
The chickens are cheering.
Ra, ra, ra.
They cheer for you.
Ayan. Ra, ra, ra.
Bien.
Tina. Ra, ra, ra.
Tina got a point. We brought out the alcohol. Okay, see. Oh.
Tina. Daniel.
¿Tú lo diste, viejito?
Tina won. She I don't know how she did it. She won the championship. And that's it. That was our experience. That was amazing. Oh, God, I can't believe this. So we're heading back to Bogotá. And we don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of the day, but this was sick. Daniel, man, thank you so much.
They always welcome you.
Yeah, if you guys are ever in Bogotá, go on Airbnb experience, and this is the guy you want to see.
Look for me.
Daniel Santiago. It's the horseback riding experience. Tina and I have never ridden horses before, and this was like the easiest thing. Back in the apartment, we're gonna go cook and then rest because we have to wake up early tomorrow to go to our next experience. That is if we make it there, because he wants our passport numbers, and I am not okay with that. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. It was a great day today. Thank you, universe. Thank you, travel gods. Things are getting better. Things are coming up Millhouse. We'll see you tomorrow.